Hey, beautiful people. You're welcome back to our journey as we showcase the 10 most beautiful and amazing birds series. Just in case you didn't follow us from the beginning, we started off with the peacock, and that was rightly followed by the mandarin duck. On the third episode, we showcased the quetzal bird, which was rightly followed by the Wilson's bird of paradise on number 4. And on number 5, where we ended the series, we showcased the Himalayan monarch. And right here on number 6 spot, guess who made it to the number 6 spot? We're showcasing the ribbon-tailed Astrapia. Hello, the ribbon-tailed Astrapia is a wonderful bird that's only having a bite of this series or this episode can tell you facts about the ribbon-tailed Astrapia. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.